Matrix 2 high-speed steel edge of the bandsaw blade is designed for heat and wear resistance. 8% cobalt content for added durability wear. RC 65 to 67 tooth hardness for increased wear resistance. Alloy steel backer for fatigue resistance. Matrix 2 high-speed steel edge for heat and wear resistance. 8% cobalt content for added durability, wear. RC 65 to 67 tooth hardness for increased wear resistance. Alloy steel backer for fatigue resistance. Packed with a Matrix 2 high-speed steel edge, 8% cobalt content, and RC 65 to 67 tooth hardness, DeWalt bi-metal portable bandsaw blades can stand up to extreme heat and wear. An alloy steel backer resists fatigue. DeWalt .020 by 44-7/8 inch 14 TPI portable band saw blades maximize the performance of your portable band saw. These blades are constructed with a Matrix 2 high-speed steel edge and an alloy steel backer for heat and wear resistance. With a RC 65 to 67 tooth hardness and an 8% cobalt content, these blades are manufactured to provide performance on the job site. All the blades are 44 to 7/8 of an inch long and 1/2 inch in height. Top reviews from the United States. Best blades I have used. Will buy again. 14 TPI used for cutting 465 aluminum on a Milwaukee portaband. Fastest cutting and smoothest running, very nice blade welds. Longer lasting than Milwaukee or HF. Alternating 3 offset tooth pattern works great. Fast cuts with minimal material clogs on teeth. Using hard wax to lube the blade, reduces cleanup and oil mess too.